Want to go viral on Instagram or YouTube? Act fast because the niche I'm about to reveal is not competitive yet. The niche we're exploring is football stories, but not the same old clips that everyone and their mom posts. This is a game changer. Take a look at this example channel with over 1 million subscribers and 500,000 TikTok followers. The best part? It's surprisingly simple to create content like this. Towards the end of this video, I'll spill the beans on a secret the big YouTubers and TikTokers don't want you to know. This simple method skyrocketed my friend's subscribers to 15,000 in just 2 weeks. Now let me guide you step by step on crafting engaging videos using AI. But first, let's understand the untapped potential of this niche. Ready for success? Let me share a sneak peek at what's possible.
Do you ever wonder why footballers like Jude Bellingham cut holes in their socks? It's not a fashion trend, but a practicality. Modern football socks are super tight, and this can affect blood flow. Cutting holes helps improve circulation and helps prevent cramps during games. So that's why players, including superstars like Neymar and Saka, often sport socks with holes.
Let me show you how to make these. Go to Google and type in ChatGPT. Create and log in with an account. Once inside, tell ChatGPT to write a story for you, which you can use as a script for your video. Yes, don't worry, you can find it in the description, you lazy chicken. Wait until ChatGPT gives you a story. You can modify the story as you like, which I recommend because ChatGPT seems to be on drugs sometimes. Or you can simply tell it to rewrite another one. As you can see, ChatGPT gave me 2 more scripts. Once you have your script, we will need to use a text-to-speech AI. I recommend using 11 Labs. This is the AI I use to create my videos. It gives you 10,000 characters to convert into voice. Log in and go to the Speech Synthesis tab. Scroll down and paste the story we just created. Select the voice you want to use. You can also click Voice Library from the top menu to search for more voices if you are dissatisfied with the defaults. Once everything is set, click on the Generate button. Once generated, download the voiceover. Next, we will need pictures for the video. Make sure to select the pictures that relate to your video and download them. Double-check on quality. Don't download pixels. For example, my script is about Mo Salah and his friend's relation to Egypt's history. So I am searching for Egypt and Mo Salah. For this next step, you will need a video editor. We will be using CapCut because it is free, and we will be using one AI-powered feature for this video, which will make our lives much easier. Open CapCut and import all the media you just downloaded. Then import the voiceover we create using 11 Labs, followed by the images. Change the ratio to 9:16 for the shorts and TikTok. Rearrange the images to match and sync the voiceover. It doesn't have to be perfect as long as it is attractive. Make sure to only keep the images for no longer than 5 seconds. This is important because now everyone and their pets have a short attention span. Once the images look synced, make sure they fit the screen fully. Next, click on Transition and click and drag any transition in between the images, making sure the transition is smooth. Now there is this small edit that is not noticeable in the video, but let me show you. As you can see, the video has a slow zoom effect. To do this to your images, simply click on the images and select the checkbox to add a keyframe. Make sure the key starts from the beginning of the image. Then go ahead and create another keyframe, but this time zoom in a bit into the image. Then drag the keyframe to the end. As you can see, the image is slowly being zoomed in. Do this for the rest of the clips. This step is kind of time-consuming, but worth each second. The next 2 steps are completely optional, but I recommend playing around with the effects and sound effects to improve video quality. Now we have to create subtitles for the videos. We can use CapCut to create these, but I will show you a better and less time-consuming method after this CapCut method. First, click on Text on the top left and go to Auto Captions. Make sure the language is English, then click Generate. Wait until CapCut does its magic. Once it's done generating, customize the font to your liking, for example, by changing the font and size. Make sure to set the position to 0 and 0 to make sure the text is in the middle. I like to give it a glow effect as well. Then go to Animations and select the Bounce Out animation under Captions. It's ready. Go watch the video over again to see if it's up to standard, and then click on Export to download. Did you know that Mohammed Salah's childhood friend, Ahmed Mahmoud, has an unexpected connection to ancient history? Born and raised in Egypt, Ahmed's family traces its roots to the ancient city of Alexandria. This unique heritage not only adds a historical twist to his story, but also makes him eligible to represent Egypt in international football. Let me show you another alternative method to get captions for the video that are much better than CapCut's auto caption. However, this method requires a subscription to remove the watermark on the video. Don't worry, I have a code for you guys to get 10% off. Click the link in the description and use code R2MONI to get 10% off. The AI we will be using for this step is called SubMagic. Click the login button and create an account. Once you are logged in, click on the Create button on the home page. Here you can upload the video we just created without the subtitles. Select the video, then hit Upload. Give it some time, and it will take you to an edit page. Explore the styles of captions and then select the one you prefer. I personally recommend the Hormozy 3. Once you have selected the style, go to the Captions tab. Here, you can edit any captions that the AI may have misspelt or misheard, but it is perfectly accurate most of the time. Once you have checked everything, click Save and then hit the Export button. This process might take a few minutes, but it will be downloaded automatically. As you can see, the captions are much better than the first method. However, you will need to upgrade your subscription to remove the annoying watermark. Born and raised in Egypt, Ahmed's family traces its roots to the ancient city of Alexandria. This unique heritage not only adds a historical twist to his story, but also makes him eligible to represent Egypt in... Let me tell you a secret that my friend used to get 15,000 subscribers in just 2 weeks. And it is called entertainment. What I mean is that even if it is a serious video, tutorial, or documentary that doesn't entertain, not many people will watch the video. You can use this secret in this football niche too. Simply, when you are creating the voiceover for the video, edit it and maybe slide in a joke or insert a funny picture when editing the video. A boring video will never beat an entertaining video because these videos keep retention high. Since you have watched to the end, let me show you one more trick. Go back to ChatGPT and go to the chat where you created the story. Now tell it to write a caption for the video and related hashtags. This will reduce your stress and save you time from thinking and coming up with a title and hashtags. All the links and prompts used in this video can be found in the description, as well as the discount code for SubMagic.